Hey, what's up guys? Here is the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G in its navy color. On top of the box, as usual, there is print of the device. Let's open it, and on top there is the device. And this time in its new packing of paper instead of the plastic. A good step from the Samsung. Let's take this out, and before opening it, let's put it on side and see what's more in the box. And let's see, and there is an envelope with the branding of the Samsung, and inside of it there is a USB-C to USB-C cable and few paperwork. So there is no power adapter with the Galaxy A55. And now it's time to get the phone out of its packing. It's in the navy color. I am really excited for it. And boom, it's feeling really solid in the hand. And on back there is glass, which is cool in this budget. Lightweight and solid in the hand. Yeah, back will not be too much durable due to glass. Let's put these things on side and enjoy its beauty. And I am really impressed with its back design. Yeah, believe me. Let's turn it on and talk about its few key specifications. And finally here you can see it's booted. And look at its live wallpaper. So here we are finally in the home of this awesome phone. Let's look at the notification panel of One UI 6.1. And it's looking good. Yeah, maybe they got this inspiration from the iPhone, but no hate here. Let's see the display settings. Actually, I want to see the refresh rate of the display. And here we got 120Hz, which is cool. Talking of the display, bezels are still quite noticeable, so no improvement here. And on side, one thing I noticed more. The design is again of the iPhone. Here I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and let's see the sides of both. And here you can see this line on the iPhone and same on the Galaxy A55. And sides have same design, but no hate here again. Let's come back to the display. It's the 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with 390 pixel density, which is pretty good, with 1000 nits and 120Hz refresh rate. Here you can see the display quality. It's really impressive with sharp colors and good quality. It's providing good brightness not only in the dark but outside also. I will test more about its brightness in full review. And on back as it's glass and it catches fingerprint smudges. And on left there is volume rockers and the power button, and these are bit uplifted than rest of the side. And on top there is SIM tray and the noise cancellation mic. Left side is totally clean, and bottom has speaker and USB-C port, so no headphone jack here. And the Samsung Galaxy A55 is also IP67 water and dust resistant, but a word of caution, up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. And of the performance, it comes with the Exynos 1480, built on the 4nm process. I have 8 gigs of RAM with 256 gigs of storage. From name of the chip, we can expect good performance in this budget, but soon I will do its complete gaming test. And here are the few photos that I clicked with the Galaxy A55 5G. It comes with 3 cameras, the 50 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and the 5 megapixel macro. So the photo quality is good. And here we have 32 megapixel front camera. Selfies from the front camera at first glance are quite good. And there is portrait mode also. I saw a bit of issue on the hair in the portrait mode, but what do you say about it? So this was the unboxing and the quick review of the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. What are your thoughts on it? Please let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you next video. Take care. Signing off.